Hi guys, it's Joshua from Inspired Fingers, and I believe you're doing great. So I figured out yesterday that it's been a while since I released a video, and I kind of updated my status. Like, I was asking those who haven't missed my tutorials, they can ask for a tutorial video or whatever, and I got a bunch of requests, but I'm going to be attending to one alone today, and it has to do with tritons. Now please take note that we've handled tritons before on our YouTube channel, that's Inspired Fingers. So please just in the YouTube search bar there, you can just put in Inspired Fingers Triton, and I believe it will take you to those videos. So today though, we're gonna be adding a little twist to the tritons, and to show you with a different approach. So please watch this video to the end. Now let's use the key of C sharp or D flat major. Let's just go with D flat major, and most of you know me with this move. Yeah. Yeah, I always use this to end my songs, and instead of just doing it straight like this, you can actually add some tritons in between, or add just a triton move in between. So let's do it. How does that sound to you? Like, I think it sounds better. That's the normal way. So let's start again. Sounds different. Okay, so you can use this to end your songs. Now let me break it down for you. And take it slowly. So always keep this D flat and D flat down. Okay. Okay. Then your tritone. Now this is an F sharp or a G flat, triad over your D tritone. Okay. Now this is on the right hand I'm playing the G flat major chord second inversion. Then on my left hand I'm playing the D tritone. Then I now resolve to the 1. Now this my 1 chord is the D flat major 7th, but I'm gracing from this E flat to the F. Then I now did a kind of arpeggio. Now what I'm doing is I'm picking the chord tones of this D flat major 7th chord, but I'm omitting the 1, which is the root. I'm omitting that. So I'm just playing. Sorry about that. Let me do it again. Yeah. And this is like a 5 chord over the 6. Remember, I'm still on the key of D flat major. So my 5 chord is the A flat major chord, and right now I'm playing the second inversion of the A flat major chord over the first inversion of the B flat minor chord. That's the first inversion of the B flat minor chord. Yeah. So then I just did a switch to the first inversion of the A flat major chord on my right hand, still keeping the 6 on my left hand down. Yeah, just that stuff can actually lead in well for you and make it sound better. So one more time. How we get a point? So an instance in a song, let's say I stand in awe of you. Okay, whether it's stare or stand, I don't know. I stare, no, it's stand. I stand in awe of you. Okay, so that's ending of the song that says, only God. I stand in awe of you. You understand? So this is something you can use for different songs. I don't know any song to pick right now, but just understand that when you have ended your song, or when you have completed or concluded your song, you can just quickly play this stuff and makes you sound much more better. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much. God bless you, and keep being with us at Inspired Fingers. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on our videos, and we're here to help you. Thank you. Bye.